Hello, welcome back to the MeasureSquare iPad tutorials. In this video, we are going to go over how to create a form broken down by tab, adjust the tax rates, and how to add a subtotal for your print forms. When estimating at locations, you will sometimes need to estimate multiple floors or units, and estimating by tab will be necessary. With these steps, you will be able to break down your proposals and other worksheets to show all quantities that are required at a multi-level breakdown if necessary. This can come in handy if a customer wants to see a full breakdown of estimated costs to consider what they want and don't want estimated at this time. To generate a breakdown by area or tab on your worksheet, you will first select the settings for Estimate by Tab from the settings gear in the diagram screen. Toggle on the Estimate by Tab settings, and then tap on Done. Select Reports in the top left, and then select Forms from the drop-down menu to generate your first proposal. From this window, you can generate your different forms. Tap on the Forms list from the icons at the bottom of the screen. In the pop-up menu, select the plus icon in the top left. From this menu, you can select the type of form you want to generate, such as a proposal, quotation, work order, purchase order, or invoice. You can change the name in the text field and select the breakdown style, which has the options of by product, by area, and by trade. After selecting the options available for your form, tap on the next icon in the top right, then select on the tabs you want to carry over. Once this is done, tap on Create. Once this is created, you will then be able to scroll through the different breakdowns. You will then also be able to toggle between the different forms that have been created by tapping on the Forms list again. To adjust tax rates for your worksheets, maybe due to being in a different county than you are usually working in, you can do so by selecting the gear icon in the top right of the Forms page. Scroll to the location for the tax name and then tap on the I icon. Here you can view all your tax rates that you have created. Tap on the gear icon in the top right where you can create a new tax rate by tapping on the plus icon at the top right. From this menu, you can also delete and rearrange the order. The tax rate at the top of the list will be your default tax rate. To hide any columns you don't want to show on the proposal, you can tap on the columns at the bottom left and tap to uncheck the columns you don't want to show and then tap on Done. If you would like to show the subtotal on your proposal, you can tap on the preview icon, then select the gear icon in the top right corner and locate your subtotal settings, where you will then be brought to the different subtotal options that can be applied to your job. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos and more information for all MeasureSquare products.